Are prices down? Are interest rates up? Did anyone buy or sell a house in August? We'll get these questions answered on the September 2022 housing market update in Northern Virginia. Real quick before we dive in, if you have any questions or want to discuss your plans about selling your house, you can book a time and chat with me on my Calendly link below. And make sure you subscribe, comment, or just give some thumbs up. We want to hear from you. All right, let's look at the 4 key stats to help us understand what's happening in the Northern Virginia real estate market. Those 4 stats are prices, inventory, absorption rate, and days on market. All right, let's talk about the prices. The median sold price of single-family homes dropped 2.3% from July 2022, with a median sold price of $870,000. But remember, that's not the whole story. We know prices reported this month are a reflection of activity from 30 to 60 days ago. So let's look at where prices are trending by looking at a few cities so you can get an idea of the percentage of homes that had price reductions over the last week. So check this out. Fairfax, 53%. Vienna, 34%. Gainesville, 49%. Arlington, 35%. Burke, 47%. And I wanted to check a little area over in Alexandria, that's Delray, and that came in at 60%. Now this is not a 4-alarm fire. I'm still seeing properties get solid contracts in the first few days of going on the market. So the buyers are just speaking to this pool of sellers and saying, your condition and price are not attractive. We could see more price cuts as we go into the winter months. You ask why? Because the buyer pool is usually smaller, and we're noticing a lack of urgency now to make quick decisions to buy like we saw earlier in the year. We'll definitely keep an eye on the percentage of price reductions to see if it increases significantly in the coming months. Let's talk about inventory. Let's take a look at this chart for a minute. The inventory of homes rose from March to July. Then in August, the inventory dropped by 12.3% compared to the previous month. So what's happening here? The drop in inventory was due to fewer homeowners selling their homes, which made sense for this time of the year as sellers and buyers enjoyed the last few weeks of summer before the new school year began. So the trend to watch is whether inventory will continue to drop from now until winter, and then the real question is, will it rise in the spring? Or would inventory drop in the spring as homeowners hold on to their low mortgages and not sell their homes? We'll keep you posted on this important question. Absorption rate. Absorption rate is calculated by dividing the number of homes that sold by the total number of homes still for sale. All you really need to know is the higher the absorption rate, the faster homes are selling. If the absorption rate is lower, homes are not selling as fast. So why is this stat important? It's important because it helps us understand the demand in a certain area within a specific time period. If the absorption rate is declining, you as a seller may need to reevaluate the prices of your properties. As a buyer, if the absorption rate is on the slow decline, this may be a good opportunity to put in an offer that's more favorable to you. So check this out. In August, the absorption rate for single-family homes in Northern Virginia area was 73%. The absorption rate increased from last month by 4 percentage points, which means that buyer demand picked up in August. This is an indicator that more homes were being absorbed or purchased by the month's end, so you'll have less options of homes to tour before making a decision. Sellers, you need to make sure you are understanding the absorption rate as well, so you have your house market ready with your list price and condition when you go on the market. Days on market. If there are a lot of homes for sale and not enough buyers, days on market is likely to be high, and vice versa. Days on market for single-family homes were 8 days in August 2021. And it has increased to 11 days this August. In just the last 3 months, the median days on market went from 7 to 11. Not much different than last year at this time. If you're in the market to purchase, all this really means to you is that you'll have a bit more breathing room to do your research on the homes and neighborhoods to see if it truly fits your lifestyle. Sellers, this helps you have a reasonable expectation of how long you need to keep your house show ready and have a better understanding of when that buyer will put in an offer on your home. Now that I've covered all 4 key market stats, I want to talk about one hot topic, and that is mortgage interest rates. Mortgage rates have been on the move upward over the last month, so we'll continue to watch how these rates impact the buyer behavior. But I gotta say that the local lenders we work with have some very good programs right now that are blowing these national averages out of the water and helping our clients get really good rates. So reach out and we'll be happy to guide you through the home buying journey and connect you with these great lenders. Until next time.